The objective was to travel the globe tracking down the fiercest of storms, producing the biggest swells on the planet, and then be there to ride them. All everyone sees is just the big, awe-inspiring pictures and results, but there's so much more. The struggles, the financial ruin, the strain on relationships, the injuries and broken bones, the missed flights, the massive hold-downs where you're fighting for your life.
A high surf advisory remains in effect, seas 12 to 18 feet.
Looking back, my journey began at a pretty young age, when I realized that if I truly set my mind on something and stayed focused and determined, I could achieve almost anything. I just wanted to be good at everything. I started with my brothers and my dad from a really young age. Water skiing at 4, sailing at 5, windsurfing at 7, surfing at 10. Everything's just about that one perfect moment and making it count, and there's nothing around you besides your ability and your focus on that moment to be able to make it happen.
You have so much fear at first. The fear, when you make one, turns to beauty.
More than anything, it's the ability to not panic.
Where are they? Everybody made it, right?
I couldn't hold on the sled. I had no energy left in me at all. The ski driver asked me, "Do you want me to take you to the paramedics? Do you want me to take me to the paramedics?" And I couldn't get out of my mouth, yes or no. What have I done to deserve this? Like, I've done everything right. I've done everything in my power to get to this point. 10 years of pain. To get into that event and just to paddle out in that first heat was just an incredible story. It's just that split second, that split moment, you gotta make it count. All everyone sees are just the awe-inspiring photos and results, but there's so much more. This is a story of dreaming big, but most importantly, fighting for those dreams, never letting them slip, never giving up, and focusing and persevering when all the odds are stacked against you. So many cool things that just happen all the time, with turtles, dolphins, sharks, major shipping liners, tugs.
I wanted to get out of the way!
It opens your mind, opens your eyes to a whole new world. I want to inspire the world to follow their dreams.